Copy, let me know when I'm good.
You're good. You got a wiper on?
Dutch, it works, I checked it.
You've locked the door? We heard rolling thunder.
Rolling, turning right.
We heard rolling thunder, so we knew we were going to be dodging storms today. So we thought we would just get a nice early start on our slow ride. So Andrew, would you like to share what bonehead move we both made?
We can start by saying the easiest way to put gas in Dreamboat is at a gas pump. I was apparently trusting the auto stop so that I don't get the fuel spray. It was real early when we gassed up and I was kind of trusting the auto stop, and apparently I didn't put as much gas in as I thought I did.
So we know that at a 29-gallon tank that we can put in, we can go 200 miles with Dreamboat and still have 9 gallons left. But you and I, it was probably 4 in the morning, we filled up.
Yep.
And both put in 11 gallons. We're like, whoa, let's hit the road. We both got in and started to drive, and Andrew realized as we came on a left-hand on-ramp exit situation.
Worst case scenario, left exit, 1 lane, finishing uphill with no place to go but the wedge and the merge on the other side, where I had to roll into the kind of point and then back up against the do not enter sign.
So there was no room for me with the trailer and the Tundra, so I blasted by and then pulled off to the breakdown lane, and I could see him in my side view mirror, and there was legitimately nothing I could safely do to go help. So I just sat there and waited about, I don't know, maybe 500 feet from the exit ramp.
I stood there on the white line. I stood there on the white line trying to put gas in.
I think we need to redo that filler neck again.
Yeah, it's for the birds.
But I put in 13 gallons in the Tundra, so you had better be well over that.
I think so.
All right. Well, anyway, live and learn. We just thought we would share.
I can admit that completely running out of fuel is a complete bonehead noob mistake, but I did it. Gas gauge works.
We did it. No, we did it because it was early and I was there. And I thought, he only put in 11 gallons too. Look at us, twinsies. But it was 4 in the morning and I felt dumb.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, we make such a mess.
This gas flap, you can't lift the thing to actually.
Maybe we need to redesign that a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
As always, somebody's mowing when I'm talking, but we stayed here before. This is a little campground in Little Rock. It's not far off the highway. It's $19 a night, free electricity. There was more shade the last time we were at this site. There used to be a tree right there, but I like it. I'm particularly excited because the overflow parking is right there, right in front of the Airstream, so here we are.
Hurry.
Yeah, so I can't get this to unlatch. It's twist lock.
Yep.
And I cannot get it to turn.
It's all fused and swollen.
So yesterday we had a very, very bad hot smell.
We couldn't find it. We
thought it was around the Victron, which is essentially on the other side of the wall from this. So I probably should have done a better job of investigating this when I smelled something off, because this is clearly melted. It's twist lock. I'm not sure what's up. It's about 4:30 in the morning and we've got to roll.